N Biren. 12th Mega Marathon Manipur held. And BSF personnel arrested for sharing classified information with ISI. Hello and a very warm welcome. You're watching Times of Manipur. Now the news in detail. Chief Minister N Biren has said that the courage represented by the historical site Waishal Marine exists in name only. He was attending his felicitation program organized by the Keishamthong Kendra United Club at Kwakaitil Morangpurel, Lampak today. The people of the constituency presented a Thangta and Chungui program in the honor of Chief Minister for being adjudged as third best Chief Minister of the country. Addressing the gathering, the Chief Minister further said, even as they included the project for development of Waishal Marine in the Northeastern Council, it could not be completed. When he was the Minister of IFCD. As such, he joined BJP in order to complete the projects that were initiated but have remained incomplete for a long time.
Utkadabani. Ngasi sahi amma makai sidayda lape na longna namba Taminglong, lape na longna namba Ukhrul, Sochanpur, Senapati, Ima market, Ima kaithil lakh crore tara daina changwa sangba so Ima kaithil taret chabagi manungda sahi amma makai sida Ima kaithil taruk sangaba loirabani ne mayam nimbi taret ki manungda taruk sangaba loirabani.
MLS L Radhakishore, T Satyabrata, H Dingo, convener of Keishamthong Kendra Youth Club KH Ramesh and many others attended the felicitation program. The 12th Mega Marathon Manipur organized by the United People's Front was held today. Shankar Manthapa and Nongthongmam Chauba bagged the first positions in the men's and women's categories in the marathon respectively. The Mega Marathon, which was held under the aegis of Manipur Athletic Association, was flagged off by Mahud Minister T.H. Shamkumar from Kumanlampak Main Stadium this morning. Young and old people from various communities took part in the Mega Marathon, which marked the unity of the state today. The marathon covered various places along its route before it converged back to its starting point at Kumanlampak. Later, Speaker of Manipur Legislative Assembly Y. Keimchan distributed prizes to those who secured positions in the marathon. The prizes for the first, second and third position holders comprised of 40,000, 30,000 and 20,000 rupees along with citations respectively. 3,000 rupees along with citation was given to each of those who ranked between 4 and 15 in the marathon.
Pibi nabagi namakta selgi angam mamateng pangbirakuna tasigolaba.
The Punjab police has arrested a border security force Jawan for allegedly spying for Pakistan. The case was registered in Ferozepur on the basis of a complaint filed by a deputy commandant rank officer of BSF's 29th Battalion. The officer has alleged that the accused Sheikh Riazuddin was sharing secret information with an operative of Pakistan's intelligence agency ISI. The case has been registered against the accused Jawan under the Official Secrets Act 1923 and the National Security Act 1980. Station House Officer of the Mumdod Police Station Inspector Ranjit Singh said the accused Jawan shared secret and classified information of the BSF with his handlers in Pakistan. Despite government's effort to protect reserved forest areas in the state, many encroachers still continue quarrying and constructing houses in the restricted areas. In one of such illegal activities, the DFO of Bishnupur seized 13 trucks and some excavators which were being used for quarrying in the reserved forest area New Kaithil Manbi under the jurisdiction of Kangpokpi Police Station. It's time for a short break. Keep watching Times of Manipur. Welcome back. A one-day health camp for people living with HIV/AIDS in Keishamthong Assembly constituency was held at Keishamthong Ningom Community Hall today. Here's a report.
One-day health camp for people living with HIV/AIDS, patient of Keishamthong Assembly constituency, organized by Home and Underprivileged Society and Empowerment, sponsored by Manipur State AIDS Control Society, was held at Keishamthong Ningom Community Hall, Imphal today. Speaking at the medical camp, advisor of House, Upen Kumar, told media persons that the main objective of organizing such health camp is to improve the mental and physical health of people living with HIV/AIDS and ART patients. If more of such health camps are organized in the state, the problems and difficulties of people living with HIV/AIDS will be reduced to a great extent.
Honorable Health Minister gi Mama Samaki Kendra Oida Aduga Mama Sanasu Ta Kudingi Ahan Banu Majing Misida Akogi PLSIB Yartigal Luina Hingliba Ni Chamaga Taramangada monetary support Haitare pencil system Haitare Yamba Yamdava Akoina Pasakaragram Mating Pangi Adumina Rana Ta Kudingi Lepa Laitana Mayam Se Akogi Moikogi Wari Watai Sanava Moiga Moigi Ana Yeki Haksang Kibam Pagatra Kokatra Ana Yekari Lowy Lay Noya Pen the Mayamama Pudingi Han Basagi Puma Pansida Mayam Sigapunda Nazaraga Minor Wari Watai Mayamama Sir Helga Minor Wari Sanazai Mana Sigi Misidasu Magi Angamba Magi Honorarium Hagatra Mantri Sidagi Mana Pachogi Pencil Minor Mayam the TV.
With an objective of making Kshetragaon Assembly constituency pollution-free, the MLA of the Assembly constituency, Nahakpam Indrajit, handed over LPG connections to 50 households under the Ujwala Yojana at his residence at Sawal Lekai today. Pradhan of Khurai Khaidem Lekai Gram Panchayat, Mukta Rajkumari, Pradhan of Top Nauria Gram Panchayat M. Dina Chandra and Vice President of BJP Kshetragaon Mandal H. Chauba also attended the LPG connection distribution program. Speaking at the program, MLA N Indrajit said Kaikhu Kabui village has already been announced as a smoke-free area in the Assembly constituency. Besides, efforts are being made to help homeless families construct houses under the Go to Kendra project.
Kita kat target kaya kita kena jumpa mulai tahu. Sehingga tanda celakpa, ada lagi hana gas le rambaga je. Kalau pukul pemain anu komplain memang le perjalanan segi. Itu hari apa posting je, kau ni hona jaraga, kau ye hari apa kau ye agency singa, kau tanda jaraga, mai agency je umur le. Agency singa memang agency ki provider jual bigre. Aku ni ngasih tahu jadi besi, besi sikim tu cakap mana te. Kau ngasih bijak memang besi. No besi kan hona jadi dah. Yari kita yum dah kau ye hona bukan hona jadi. Itu ngasih yum sih dah. Mari dah kumu sudah putar kau tu jaga dah.
A teenager was gang raped allegedly by a hospital worker and 4 others in the ICU in Uttar Pradesh, Bareilly on Saturday. She was admitted in the ICU of a private hospital 5 days ago after she was bitten by a snake while working in the family farm. The police have arrested a staff member of the hospital and are on the lookout for 4 others. The girl was the only patient in the ICU when she was gang raped. She narrated the incident after she was shifted to the general ward. A case has been registered and investigation is underway, Senior Police Officer A. Singh told a news agency. The police have filed a first information report against the hospital staff and 4 of his aides. The CCTV footage of the ICU has been seized by the police. 42-year-old Bharatiya Janata Party leader was killed in broad daylight in Rajasthan's Pratapgarh on Saturday, November 3rd, triggering panic in the area and adding to the political temperature before the upcoming assembly elections. The incident took place in a village 4 kilometers away from the Pratapgarh city. The deceased Samarth Kumawat was shot at indiscriminately by bike-borne assailants. One of them slit his throat with a sword. Samath died on the spot even though people rushed to his rescue. After the incident, locals sat in protest with Kumawat's body. The situation was brought under control after the additional superintendent of police and the station in charge reached the location and gave assurance that the goons would be arrested within 24 hours. Now let's have a look at some of the newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. Rally demands ATC for Kuki Zhou people. Border survey by Government of India officials dubious. UCM. Bomb blasts rock Tidim ground Kangpokpi. Chief Minister gears up for Lok Sabha polls, predicts second term for Modi. Congress has no hope, says BJP. The People's Chronicle. Blasts shatter morning calm Kangpokpi protests. 2 suspected NSCN cadres lynched to death by villagers. UCM seeks info on joint border survey, threatens agitation. Chief Minister hails role of Army AR in war against drugs. Mass rally bats for creation of territorial council. Imphal Free Press. Fraudsters dupe people and steal cash from their bank accounts. Rally in support of ongoing tripartite political dialogue held at Sisipur. Bank of Baroda must refund withdrawn amount with rupees 10 crore as compensation by November 8. Another bomb blast rocks Kangpokpi district. Peace rally held in protest. IED blasts at LYS Sales Private Limited. The Morning Bell. Pending for 11 months, Ramsa teachers demand immediate release of salaries. Chief Minister Biren declares war on drugs in the state. Biren felicitated for third best Chief Minister position. Another blast at Kangpokpi district headquarters. CSOs condemn. GTB at Tamai subdivision, Tamenglong district. Manipur Mail. Minister Sham appeals to respect all religions. Blasts at 2 places. Rally at Churachandpur.
Before we wrap up the top stories once again. People of Keishamthong Assembly constituency felicitates Chief Minister N Biren. Twelfth Mega Marathon Manipur held. BSF personnel arrested for sharing classified information with ISI. This is all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.